Welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. Like the last time, we're modifying, doing modification on using mass to do modification on the designs. So let's see what's the problem with this edge. What's the problem with this edge? Edit, swept, edit. Control Z. Trimming extension. Because this command is supposed to queue up like this. Supposed to queue up like this. Let's see. Finish parts. Finish reps. It's queued. Finish. Okay, let's know what the problem is. Cut. Edit. So square up like this. So okay. Cut. Edit. Finish. Asking to delete elements, finish nothing, it's somewhere it's empty, Control Z. Control Z. Finish this part. Finish. Control Z. Finish. Finish it. Copy this out. Edit. Edit. Delete. Delete. Finish. This command is not taking off the edge. It's not taking off the edge. Edit. Edit. This one will take up any edge. Let's see. Finish. Pass. Finish. Okay. I see. Cancel. Edit. Edit. see. Pick up this. Due to the internal wall, this is the internal wall, if the close is too much, it wants to go that way. This is the only way to go. It will not go that way. Edit. Edit. So surprise. Why would the command be failing? Let me split it up here. Go to here. This is going to work. Okay. Finish. Edit. Finish. Go like this. So let me adjust a bit. Finish. It does work. Let me show you what I want to do. It does before. Let me edit now. Edit. Edit. Put this in edit. If you flush on this wall, the command will refuse to, will not go. It is going to, is showing it is stressing it in cutting the chamfer. Finish. Finish. That is what, so you need to make it understand that it needs to project this way so I can be able to handle the command. Finish. So that is it. Meanwhile, this is what we need. It's going this way. Also, edit. Okay. This aspects. Drag it to the green. This is the first, I was thinking this is the design of first of all, the first achieved. I never knew this is the second one we're going. That's what that design, that I drew that thing beyond what I was supposed to achieve, get it to. Okay, let's do this quickly. Delete this. Delete this. And bring it back here. Okay. Let's see what we're having. Finish. Saying something. Saying something. Edit. Finish path. Finish short. This really false. Finish. Let's see what we're having here. This is what we want to achieve at this corner. So that the design will have my tag at the edge. You see? How I achieve this? To have my tag at the edge. That's what I was trying to achieve. Okay. So now we'll need another design on the top here. But that should be just, let's go to level 4 for that. Still a massing, create massing, yes, massing number, solid form, solid swept, yes, just need a cube this time, don't need much, what's happening? Okay. The line is leaving. The line is leaving. Okay. Okay. Finish. Pass. Edit. Take us to his face, surface. This is knot. Knot is at the back. So therefore, we're going this way. It should be 150. Finish. Finish. Let's see. Too high. That's what it's telling me that the command I did went very high. Supposed to go for level 4. Next time we'll be checking it at our elevation view. First of all, there's no problem about it. See, edit, remove, then move it down. Income. Should go high a bit. Should we? Kind of. Copy. Copy. Down. Let's delete this one. Let's re-edit this so that the wall will go inside. Let's go to this view. Edit. $150 plus 230. 230. It's gonna leave us 280. Finish. Finish. Edit. copy, bring it down a bit. So for the side to take it down, because of this line here, we'll go this way, finish. Let's see how it looks. Let's not mind it as design. Let's not mind it. Let's bring it down a bit. Just like this. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Finish. Okay. Have an idea here. So repeat something here. Edit. Need one of this, not in both. Copy. Don't need to design it again. Just keep editing. Just use the line to achieve what I want to achieve. Okay. Don't need this one color. But let it use it help me to take it to the extent for editing. Pick up another line. We're taking it the wrong face. In the wrong face. It's supposed to be here. Okay. Finish. So let's go and see. We've achieved. Finish masking. Highlights, copy, okay, bring it down a bit, finish. Now you see what I've achieved. I'll cut in the front view as it should. Remaining here. Let's do something here as well. I'm gonna add just the cap on top. Just the cap on top because it's having a higher level than this. Let's have the cap on top. I see using the same material. It's pick just one. Copy. Pick it this way. Shapes. Edits. Shapes. this. Something here. Taking it to the end. Drag it to the end. It's going to have another design. From here. Then this top anywhere here. Let's take a distance and a few each from our loop, from our front view. Okay, finish parts, finish shafts, finish massing, and let's go to the 3D, which we are already, the lifts. And this. Or something like this. It's not covering very well. You cover it very well. Edits. 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 Finish. Okay. Finish. Finish massing. That's covered very well. This is not up to the extent we're supposed to get it to. Edits. 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 Just highlighting to edits. Up to the top view. Drop to this 10, 1, 2. Finish. Finish massing. Let's see AutoCAD. Now have this. Just using massing material to modernize the design we'll have. Using massing material to modernize the designs which we're doing, by the way. Nothing else. We're going to still do the same thing at the dream. This is going to do the same thing at the dream. Do the same thing at the dream. Let me use this equally. Edits. Let me see from the top. Let's see from the top. Copy. Okay. Move up. Okay. Beautiful. Let's go to the fourth floor. Just to see what you are doing. This design is going this way. We just edit. Edit. Is aligning to achieve what we want. Click this. you can see only design once. We'll not go on with the design. We're still design. We're just copying, editing. The reason is not to have different design, so that the dimension will not differ. Now those opening, we're here to do designs there. We're here to do designs there. This is opening. We're here to do designs there. Well, let's finish with this face. Front view modification. Okay. Finish. Finish. Okay. Finish. Ctrl Z. Edit. Saying that if it must go, that this command has to project, but no need. No need. So let me just project this a bit. To say achieve what I want to get there. I think it's 11 to 1 meter, no 100. This consider this. This 100 to the uniform. Do it equally here. Highlights. Pick it up 100. Therefore, finish. Finish parts. Finish shots. Finish massing. Okay. This is AutoCAD. I'm going to place material on the surface of this wall. I'm going to place material on the surface of this wall. So, meanwhile, if I place material on the surface of this wall, I'm going to have coping to run through this way, run through this way. Okay. So the coping is running through this way, specifically this particular coping. Okay, let's do this quickly. Let's use the down one. Edit. Okay, let's use the level. Okay, put level. Copy. Edit. Edit. Okay, drag it to this edge. Supreme. I think it's like this design is supposed to go this way too. That level, just go this way. all the way here. Okay, let me do this quick. Finish shots, finish shots, finish massing. Let's see what we've got. Okay. It's running all the way. It's running all the way. It's gonna happen here. Certify. Okay. Right here. Okay. I think we've gotten something we want. So let's see how it goes. It to be readjusted. It's finish master. Something will pull up in here. This is why I'm bringing it to the edge of the coping is because the coping is equally 150, just as it's equal 150, just as the what's happening before now? Okay, proceed. The coping is equal 150, just as the skirting. Okay. Now we'll have all of that. Miss something here too. Miss something here. Miss something here. Don't think we still need it here. But just here is enough. I think we can use I think we have something down already. Don't need it again on the floor. Else can still place it at the edge. Still need something like this. Copy to this edge. Edit. Keep editing. Keep editing. Okay. And the top. On this side. Let's see if we can do this. It's not necessarily it. Finish. Finish massing. Okay, I think. Let me see if I can do this here. Let's use it. We're going to need it at this edge. I think we're going to need it at this edge. Let's probably use it at this edge. So therefore, this, what wall are we making use of? Let's make use of this. Copy. This way. Just keep editing. Do this. Unneeded. The top. Unneeded. Finish. Finish sweat. Finish massing. This was the tab. Toolbar attached. Tool is attached, so remove it. So close it. Okay, so what is remaining? What is happening here? Okay, there will be this design here too. Let's see how we can do that. And the structure is coming up to a model design, right? Yes, actually, that's like I said initially when we started this video, when we started this design, the designer, the architect, is the person that is overseeing the structure, which is he has a plan, he has a dream to come into reality. So what he has in his dream to come into reality, he's the only one that has the right concept of it. So as you are designing, you see him adjusting to fit in what he has in mind. We did it when we have our toilets at the cover glass wall. We did it and we adjusted because it was not fitting what I have in plan to design. So let's go on. Let's go ahead. So what is equally happening in this wing? This wing will have something here. Okay. Let us have something here. Let's have some design here. Look here, because it's going to be suspended, no curves on it. Let's have a curve here, this way, a plastered wall here. So what material are we meant to use to achieve that? Let's use this. Let's use this. And we'll edit to achieve whatever I want to achieve. Edit, copy. Can I edit in whatever way you want to edit? Let me show you how to do that. Edit. We're editing only lines, but now we're going to edit both lines and the design in question. Let's remove this. Unnecessary. This not necessary. Okay. Bring it back. Bring it back. Put it is not necessary. So therefore combine this. Come in this. So copy this. It's okay. Okay, we'll come up with this. Okay. We have this space to something measurable. 1300. Okay. Pick it up at the edge. Finish parts. edit, finish path. Okay. Highlight, edit, highlight, okay. Like I said initially, you can still have a design modified level. Therefore, okay. This is okay, 310. Let's see the projection. I think 200. Okay, this is 220. It's a finish. 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 Okay, I'll have something like this. Wow. So, what's this? Let's see. This is one level. Using this way, edit. This has been fixed before. Okay, here. Okay, the other one. What is it? Finish. Let's see. Yes. Something like this. Okay. Let's see. We need to have it here equally. From the top. Copy. Move this way. Rotating bar. To rotate this way. Shift. Get close. Most of the other devices is just to attach to weight the head the most. Okay, all this to have an edge. Just want to have an edge. That's why I came very close to it. Okay. Edit. Edit. then another line. Okay. Without the beats. Is good enough. Finish. Finish. Finish master. Let's go to cut. Okay. Edit. 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 Finish. Finish master. This is all achieved. But like the bulky aspect is outside here more. Go in. Let's see the editing. Edit sweats. Edit. Dimension between here and here. Dimension. Highlight. Let's see what I want to do now. Let's finish this at the view level. It's not giving me what I want here. I want to make use of dimension. So let me use basic. It doesn't, I have to go to view. This should be the east view. I want to have dimension because I know that we projected. Doesn't want to click any dimension. Let's see. Now I projected with 250, 220. So I'm looking for how to This one pick line. Pick dimension. Pick up. Wow. Let's go to floor. That's all I could to see if we can have dimension. You want thing could happen because it's, let's see, it's like this. Which means this wall is this design is not correct. This design is not correct. Okay. If you should look here closely, you notice there's a chamfer here. It's not correct. Showing that it does not when we bring it in, it was not square enough. That's why the dimension is not picking. So I need to know what could be the problem. So let's see, let's do this back again. Quickly. $190. So dimension, between here and here, you see? Got it. It should be 220. It moves. So I was wondering what could be the problem. So let's see at the view. The view. Edits. Edits. Delete. Bring it close. Bring this close. Bring this close. Close. Double line. This way. Taking a little time. This video is taking long. You have to end this video here. Or meet up. The next video will continue. Continue the modification and modeling. Okay. This is all we've achieved so far. So we'll come back in the next video. We'll continue with our modeling. Follow us for more. Comments, like our page, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.